Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to lock screen and wallpapers. Tap to the wallpaper section and select one from the available wallpapers, the new one. Select one from them, tap to apply and click select to lock screen. We could see the notification that the wallpaper applied successfully. Now let's just check. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger and then tap to wallpapers. And by the same way, let's just click here to these three dots to open the full wallpaper settings, and just you could use one from them here. You could see also the preview. Just tap to apply, allow or don't allow. Oh, we should authorize. So okay, let's just select one from the regular static wallpaper, click apply, set to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.